I know you didn't see me, you didn't hear from me. I almost was gonna say it a couple days, but definitely not yesterday. It was tough. I had a very difficult time. I'm not gonna go too much into details just because I don't want to seem like I'm complaining or just any of that. Just know that I didn't even go to work because it was that bad. And what I got out of it, because I'm all about positivity, I'm all about moving forward. And you have to take and learn from your mistakes, from the situation, just everything. If you don't like it, it's not where you want to be. It's not the trajectory you want to be at. You just look and you're just like, yeah, this is not it for me. I want better. I will do better. There's nothing to it but to do it. So that's one thing I do like about myself. I don't hold on like to the past. Some kind of put it toward. I'm not even gonna get into like what people like to call it or label it as. I just try to be as transparent as real as possible, but I don't want to like put wrong ideas and seeds in your head just because I know how it can be. Like when someone starts something negative and then others see it or hear it, then it just kind of compounds. But I appreciate you. Know I love you just for being here as a support. I'm learning that I need to hone in on support, hone in on ways to cope because you don't want to get too low. You just want to keep pushing, keep moving forward, keep learning, keep growing, keep developing. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't because you can, and I believe you can. I believe you can through Christ because that's what God says in His Word. And that's why I have to continue to remind myself and actually pray more and get into God's Word more each and every day. Build and grow there because He said you can do it through Him, with Him. We all have dreams. We all have inspirations. We all want to be somewhere. We all want to have certain things. I don't believe that there's a human being that doesn't. It's humble. Even the most humblest and gratefulest of people, we want stuff, or you want to give and do things for others. However you want to scratch it up, but just stay encouraged. Stay positive the best that you can because I'm a human just like you. Yesterday was like, but really the last 48 hours. The last 48 hours where I went through it. Like I went through it. Like I can't say what I can, but I'm choosing not to say what I was about to say. Like just because, just know like I have been through the wire, like Kanye said in his song. But in all seriousness, just know that you can do it. You can push through it. Know that once you get through that day, once you get through those situations or days, the light at the end of the tunnel, you are still blessed. You are still highly favored. Know that, apply it, and let's do the best that we can each and every day. And know that I will see you in the next video.